Hello friends, welcome back to Unbox 7, and in this video I am going to unbox this amazing cotton candy machine. And you can use this machine and make some yummy cotton candy at home. And if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do it right now. And this is Jelly Belly cotton candy machine, and it says it makes tasty cotton candy at home within few seconds. Yes guys, you can make your freshly made cotton candy at home within few seconds, and it also use cotton candy sugar and finely crushed candy pieces, so you can choose either of them. So I'm gonna use this today and we will make some yummy cotton candy. And in this box they also provide you with cotton candy cones. You can use those cones and make cotton candy on those cones. So after opening this box, we got this user manual, and this user manual is very important because this was the brand new product that I am using right now, and I don't know how to use this, so I read all the instructions carefully, and I'm just gonna follow all the instructions and all the safety measures including in this user manual. So please read this. I'm putting it aside, and let's take the cotton candy machine out of the box. We got 2 packs of cones, and each pack included 3 cones for making cotton candy on these cones. So I'm gonna take this beautiful packing out of the product. So product was all secured with this packaging, so it's very safe. And here is the measuring spoon that we will use to measure our cotton candy sugar, and we'll put that sugar into this area. And here we have that small disc, and this disc is like very hot. When we turn on the cotton candy, it gets very hot, and there is 2 rods, like heating rods. We need to preheat those rods, and after that we will use this. I'm gonna show you all the process, and you guys will get to know how to easily make yummy and fresh cotton candy at home. So I'm just assembling this small machine. It's very easy to assemble this product. Just follow small and simple steps and you are good to go. So I already assembled it, and there is like white ring. You need to just fix that ring around those corners, and then it's all firm and all tight. Now I'm gonna take these cones out of the packaging, and I'm gonna show you. These are made of like some kind of paper, and these are like heart shape on it, very beautiful. So I just turn on the button, and it's already getting preheat. So you can see those rods, they are all like fully red and very hot. So please make sure you don't touch that area, and also don't touch the disc area, because if it's rotating in circular motion you could hurt your finger. So I just added 1 tablespoon of cotton candy sugar, and this is the same spoon that came in the box. So I, after that, just turning on the button, and if there is any excessive sugar or like cotton candy sugar, it will just go away like mine. So after that, like in couple seconds, like 20 seconds or 30 seconds, it's gonna start making a like net around the disc, black disc. You will notice that white net, and after that you're gonna pick that cotton candy cone, and you're gonna wrap all the net around this area, and just follow my instruction, and after that you will know how to make some yummy and freshly made cotton candy at home. It's very easy, and it's like super convenient, and it's very yummy. You can also choose different flavors. I'm just using like plain flavor, so you can also use like different flavors, candy crushed, like finely candy crushed powder, and like finely crushed sugar with some flavors in it. So you can make those kind of cotton candy also in your home, and you can use this product at home, like if you are organizing a birthday party or anything. So you can use this product and make some like yummy cotton candy within few seconds. Like if you are making 1 cone, it will take less than 1 minute, and you can make like as much as you can. And after using this product, don't worry about the cleaning. Just turn off the button, Once the machine is completely cooled down, after that just clean it with a damp cloth, and it's very easy and very handy to clean this product. So I am really liking this product. I hope you guys also like this product. If you like this product, please give this video a big thumbs up. I will see you guys in my next video, and you can see here I already made one of my favorite cotton candy, and I'm gonna make some more. So if you want to make more, you can go in my description link. You can check the link there. Thank you. Bye bye.